Have you ever hit an underground line before? A utility line, like a sewer line or a gas line? Oh man, I bet it sucks. I've never have done it either. Listen, do me a favor and watch my video. Consider subscribing. I'm trying to help out homeowners with my small channel, and I'm just getting started. Before you dig in your yard, you need to dial 811. So the first thing you do when you call is you have to set up an account. Once you have an account, then you need to create a ticket. You'll enter your information, describe exactly where you plan to dig, and submit a location request to all the local utility companies. That's going to be electric, gas, water, sewer, communications, that kind of thing. And the more precise you are, the better. You don't want to just say the front yard or around the side of the house. You want to map it out clearly for them, because the last thing you want to do is hit one of the lines. And mapping it out doesn't have to be that difficult. All you have to do is just go to one of your hardware stores and pick up a can of white paint or some little white flags, I know you've seen those before, and just put those where you plan to dig. This is going to let the utility crew know exactly where you plan to dig, so they can safely and effectively mark out the locations of the utilities that are in your yard or in the area you plan to excavate. Once you got everything submitted, now you got to do the waiting game. It typically only takes a few days. They will give you confirmation through the email, but you want to make sure that you are safe before you dig. Once you get that confirmation, you're free to go ahead and start digging. This is just the first part of this big long job I'm working on here. I'm doing a 150-foot long French drain. So if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm really trying to build this thing up. So as I said, the next video I make will be of me actually doing the French drain, so you can follow along to see how I do it. Really wanted to stress how important it is to call 811 before you start digging, because it really would suck to hit an underground sewage line and have to fix that too. Anyway, I appreciate all you guys' support, and I really appreciate you watching this far. Have a great day.